Okay, cool. So these are the shoes I'm going to be customizing. Adidas Ozweegos. I literally just bought these like the other day. Still got a tag. I'm going to try and make these look like these. Basically, I'm going to paint this part here, the little bottom parts, all the way around there as well. For my cotton buds and my acetone, aka nail polish, for the first part. I'm going to wipe those parts that I'm going to paint with acetone, get those nice and clean, and then I'm going to paint over those parts.
We make that rich music.
I want this on a different angle, man.
Hallelujah. Skirt out on 2 wheels, that's 5-5, yeah, no. I got my goons, my troops. Pull up and shout the coop. I'm sipping clean the juice. With all my dogs and Snoop. Yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa. All of my brothers say up. You ain't road, that's hella stunts. I'm calling out these Donny's bluffs.
So yeah, as you can see, there's not really much difference after I've wiped it down with acetone. It doesn't like completely take the paint off. I guess it just cleans up. And this is really like matte already, it's not glossy, so I'm guessing that's why. That part's done now. Now I'm gonna move on to painting. Yes, sir. So from the videos I've watched, apparently you're supposed to like tape off the rest of the shoe. But hey, I be painting, man. You guys watch my videos, you know I be with it. So I got my brushes here, a 6, I don't know if you guys can see that, and a 0. I'm probably gonna use this as like the biggest one, and then I might use this for like details. Here's the paint I'm gonna use. From all the videos I've watched, they're telling me about this ANGLUS, so of course I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put like 6 layers of this, and I'm gonna finish it off with a finisher, which is also ANGLUS. So yeah, let's get it. Oh, it's got its own brush. Why would you do that though? Who's gonna use that? Really, I should put the camera like here, so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Man, I never knew these guys put in so much work, like this whole time-lapse thing. So yeah guys, I'm actually gonna put tape on this because I won't have to be as gentle, and I can just like literally like whack it on. I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'm gonna put tape over the top.
Flamboyant John Gaddy, presidential like a rollie. I run a game like Soconi.
So I watched a few videos on YouTube, and they were talking about using this scalpel knife to cut the tape you don't need. But yeah, I'm not too sure about this because I feel like you can easily damage the shoe, and it's not like the easiest thing to use. So yeah, I'm using it anyway, but if I was to do this video more, I definitely would find another way to do this. Wow, so it even took off the white paint. This is probably the worst shoe video you guys have ever seen. So I'm gonna turn this camera off for this part because it's kind of hard to record and do this at the same time. So this is how they look once you cut the tape. Therefore don't follow what I did because you could easily ruin the shoe the way I just did it, but oh well. But yeah, to be honest, I would even just leave these like these. I think this looks hard here. Like if I was to customize the whole shoe, I would probably I'd put some stitches there. I'd probably change the color of this. Yeah, I might do that in the next video. Comment below if you want me to actually just like customize this whole shoe. I might actually do that. But anyway. Alright, cool. So here's how it's looking after 7 layers of this stuff. Not gonna lie, it actually looks a lot better than I thought it would. Now I'm gonna apply the acrylic finisher to seal this white paint. This took a lot longer than I thought it would take, and I've only done one. Like, I ain't even done this one yet. Shout out to all those people who do trainer customization, because yo, I don't know if I'll be doing this again.
Me and you, dog, we are not the same. You should clean your mouth before you say my name. You should watch your step, just stay in your lane. Pure honesty running through my veins. All that fakeness we don't entertain, yeah. Finna get the riches way before the fame.
Hey, so what you saying, buddy? We're in a trap, buddy.
We're in the trap, buddy.
Guys, this is how dedicated I am. We're mid-traveling and I'm still gonna finish this video.
Yes, sir.
Hey, am I telling the truth, bro? Are we?
Sir, yeah, you are.
Yes, sir. No cap in my rap.
No cap.
So, yo, the videos may take long, but I'm dedicated.
Hey.
Okay, I'm finally done. Both of these shoes have had 7 layers of this and 2 layers of this, like, applied right after each other and left for more than 24 hours to dry. But yes, sir, this is what it's looking like. Now we're gonna do the fun part of removing the tape. Shoe number 1. That doesn't look too bad, you know. That actually doesn't look too bad. Maybe I'll clean up those inside parts. So what's annoyingly happened is, I don't know if you can see that part there. Basically that like sort of pokes out. So if I like peel that, I think this whole thing will come off. So yeah, if you're doing this, like, make sure you try to paint like all the way inside the thing. But hey, this is my first attempt. I'm not really too fast. I think they came out looking alright, you know. I think they're pretty decent. They're wearable, you know what I mean? They're not like all the way bad. Eventually I'll remove this. Like, some of the tape has left some marks on the suede, but it's all good. So yeah, that's what the back's looking like. The main like messy parts are like in the cracks here. But yeah, not too bad for my first go. That's what that one's looking like. There's a tape stain again. I'm gonna remove that somehow. And yeah, that's how it looks under. That's how that one looks. My first shoe custom. I don't think it's too. Hey, they're wearable. They're wearable. So yeah, comment below if you like what you guys think of this. If you want me to do like more, of course I'll get better with time. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bow.